It's a great day at Freedom Plaza. I am so excited. Guess what? We're in our new kitchen. Follow me. Look at this. We can breathe now. We're in our new kitchen. Look at this. I'm so excited. So excited that we're in here. Look, it's like rags to riches. Look, we have our new line here. Fishing it free. Fishing it free. Refrigerator for our expo. Hot plates. This warmer right here is for hot plates. Our serving line. This is where all the action begins, right here. We got my sous chef back there. Joe, wave your hand. All right. This is where we take your food, we put it here to go out to your table. Brand new. This is all new to keep it hot. Follow me to the dish area where all this new stainless steel, this is all brand new. Notice the deck drains on the floor. Look at our floor, easy. No slip resistant. Deck drains, cross drains. Brand new machine. Hi Maria, it's my dishwasher Maria. Brand new machine. Notice the trough drains. All right, follow me this way. This is our server area over here. All the ice cream's gonna be coming. This is where they're gonna make your ice cream and your desserts. This is the cooler here where we keep the desserts and the salads ready for you. All this is area to have a good flow. When you come in the dining room, it goes to one place to the other place. This is what we got right here. Everything a nice flow. Follow me to our new ice machine. Energy efficient. Plenty of ice. Dry storage. Coke machines. Chemical room. Brand new. Follow me this way. We're on the line. We'll tell you where the rubber meets the road here. New fryers, dumping station. This is where you dump your fries to keep them hot. New steamer, quick and efficient. 6-burner stove. Doors. Keep everything cold. Nice flat top. Before we had about a half of a flat top. We got double flat top. Char grill. Carving station with lamps. Lights, camera, action. Refrigerator. We had no refrigeration on the line. Now we have refrigeration and a freezer on the line. I'm getting everything organized. Notice the wall art. I call it my wall art. Follow me to the back prep area. 8 burners. 8 burners. 2 new ovens. New tilt skillet. This is old, but it still works. This is how much soup we make in a week. Come get a close-up shot, Chris. We fill this up, we make 1 soup for there. This is our daily soups. We make it, we fill 2 of these up for 1 day of soup. Steamer, new oven just arrived yesterday, brand new. I call it the Cadillac or the Rolls Royce. Hey Carmen, say hi. Carmen, I'm Baker. She's making. There's a new area. All right, let's go over here to salads. Notice the storage. Everything's hanging. Lots of pans. Before we didn't have everything hanging. We just throw it in the bin. Say hello, salad. Rosa, say hi. Gertrude, she's new to us. Salads. All right, let's go back here to the, this is a new pot area. It's called a power wash sink. You turn it on. It has jets in it like a sauna, like a jacuzzi. And you throw your pan in there after you wash it. Put it in here. And it actually helps cleanse it, gets all the stuff off it like your automatic dishwasher. Turn it off. Keeps the water there. Let's go to dry storage. Organization is the key. We have shelves, brand new shelving. Doesn't look like I have much food here because before I didn't have enough shelving. It looked like I had a lot. And now I have the same amount of food, more shelving. Now it looks like we are slim pickings here. But I got a lot of storage here. Labels, can racks, everything's organized. New lighting, new ceiling tiles. The old ones were busted. Nice floor here. Okay, we're gonna walk to the new cooler. Nice Diamondback. Steel. Dry. We had 3 fans before. Now we have 4 fans. Cooler efficiency. This is my cooler here. Here's all the wine. Everybody likes to see how much we go through. We got our wine and beers. We've only been in here about 3 or 4 days, so we're still trying to get everything organized. But this is just a little glimpse of what we're going through. All right, now we're gonna go to the freezer, the cold part. I like to say it's the North Pole. Look how cold it is. Before we had 2 fans, now we have 3 fans. The flooring in here was beat up. It was rusted, falling through. Now it's brand new flooring. And the temperature is about -20. And that's it.
Everybody wave. Ha! We miss you. Stay well. We're all social distancing in this kitchen.
Austin.
Somebody